So you have heard me say about how men's skin is so different from women. And when men develop an acne scar, it's also much more stubborn, much more deeper, and it's a lot more in a grade wise. I would say it's in a grade 4 kind of acne scar which we commonly see in men. And very often we get to see there's a lot of tissue loss in the men, and as well as we get to see more of boxing and rolling kind of scar. When compared to women, these are the differences we see in men. So to help you to get nearly 80 to 90% of the result, we had to do a combination of treatment. So wherever there is a volume loss, fat grafting is one good procedure which will help in rebuild the volume loss which you have faced. Now apart from that, how do we modify a box scar or a rolling scar? So we do a combination of technology, a combination of subsession RF and MNRF and sublative RF. So this combination of 3 RF technologies that will help in softening a scar and will also help us in rebuild your lost collagen, elastin and keratin. Along with this, the pigmentation which you very commonly notice in a scar, in a much severe kind of a scar, can be modified with a combination of a glass and a YAG treatment. So when we do a combination of a different kind of energy based device and with fat grafting, you can expect a result up to 80 to 90% because it modifies your collagen, your elastin, your keratin. It also decreases the hardness which you have, and it also softens and the volume is replaced with a fat.